for the turtles. For my turtle babies. Let's see what they got. Let's see what they got. I got a couple of supplies for them that I had ordered. This is just the food though. Some food. Oh shit. It's just the food. Alright. I got these for $5. About $5. Yeah, about $5. And I got 4. I bought 4 of them. Why is it wrapped up like that? I don't know. 4 of them. This other one looks weird or wrapped up different. And that's it. Ain't nothing else in the box. This one got my fucking name on it. Okay. I'm gonna put these in their cabinet. In their little cabinet. Here. I got this because the turtle tried to jump out. Well, the turtle did jump out in the tank. he jumped out of there. But I'm going to keep their food up under here. I'm going to stack that up. Actually. I want to see if they even like this food. They pretty much eat anything. So they've been eating this, worms and whatnot. You can barely see. You can barely see. So these are like other assortment of worms and bugs that they like. And I'm just giving them if they like it. How do you act? Oh, it ain't got no safety lid on there. I just opened it up and it was like that. And mind you, this is the same day I just showed y'all the little Taco Bell review. So the turtle tank is still dirty. And this is the big queen herself. I like to put some in the top because she's greedy and don't like the other one to eat. So if anybody knows the amount that I need to be giving them, or like how to measure what I'm giving them, alright, anytime I'm feeding him, she wanna get in the way. It's very weird. I don't understand. So everybody eat. She's a bully of the water. She's a bully of the water. I don't know. I think I need to get a bigger tank. She's being a bully. It's unnecessary. But that was the unboxing. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.